I've been with Exit for just over 5.5 or 6 years. I actually handle the commercial side for Exit and both offices for Kevin through Success and Advantage. I've been in the industry for about 19 years. I started in Las Vegas and ended up here in 2010. I have started and run commercials divisions for RE/MAX affiliates, Keller Williams, some of my own brokerages, and came and ended up affiliating with Kevin and Exit, which has been a really, really unique experience. The reason that I feel that it's a good fit, not only for me, but anyone who specifically is starting off in the business, is the ability to have the support, the training, and the culture that we have here at Exit. There's not one single opportunity that can be missed. The only reason that you wouldn't succeed is typically by those people who don't choose to enlighten themselves and surround themselves with the great people that we have here. So between training and expertise and brokerage support, it by far has been the best opportunity I have had.